In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a picture in PowerPoint. Editing images directly within PowerPoint is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations without needing any additional software. You can make your visual content more engaging and tailor it exactly to your audience's needs right within this familiar tool. Let's dive in and see how you can transform your images with just a few clicks. First, you'll want to select the image you wish to edit. Simply click on the picture within your PowerPoint slide. You'll notice that once you click on the image, a new tab appears in the top ribbon labeled Picture Format. This tab is your gateway to a variety of editing tools that PowerPoint offers. With your image selected and the Picture Format tab open, let's start by cropping your image. On the Picture Format tab, you'll find the Crop button. When you click this button, black handles will appear around the edges of your image. These handles can be dragged inward to help you remove any unwanted areas from your picture. Cropping is especially useful if there are distracting elements in your image or if you want to focus on a particular part of the photo. Next, let's move on to enhancing your image's clarity and light. Under the Picture Format tab, you'll see a Corrections option. This feature allows you to adjust the image's sharpness or softness, as well as its brightness and contrast levels. Play around with these settings to bring out the best in your image or to achieve a particular mood. For instance, increasing the brightness might help if your image is too dark, while adjusting contrast can make the details pop. Now, if you're looking to modify the colors of your image, the color option under the Picture Format tab is where you'll want to go. Here, you can change the color saturation, which affects the intensity of the colors, or the color tone, which can warm up or cool down your image depending on your needs. Additionally, you might want to try the recolor feature. This allows you to apply different color filters such as grayscale for a classic black and white look or sepia for a vintage feel. Lastly, let's explore adding some artistic flair to your image. The Artistic Effects button in the Picture Format tab provides you with a range of stylized filters. These can transform your image into something resembling a blur effect, a pencil sketch, or even a watercolor painting. Experiment with these artistic effects to see how they can add a creative touch to your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily edit and enhance your pictures directly in PowerPoint. Remember, these tools are not just for making your images look better, but also for ensuring your presentations communicate your message more effectively. Feel free to experiment with the different features until you find the perfect look for your images. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.